Hey everybody, it's Ron at LaRusso Gardens. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy version of eggplant parmesan. First thing you're going to need is eggplant. Slice it about this thick. You just want to layer that into a casserole dish, like so. Doesn't got to be perfect, just try to make it as even as possible. Alright, so there's that. So on top of that, what I do is I sprinkle a little salt, some garlic powder. 1 second. Some garlic powder, some pepper, and then a little bit of Italian seasoning. And then on top of that, you want to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. After you sprinkle the Parmesan cheese, you're going to put a layer of sliced tomatoes, about that thick. Alright, once you get the layer of tomatoes on it like that, you want to do a little bit more salt. A little more pepper. And then instead of garlic powder, I'm going to use chopped garlic on top of there. Alright, once you get the chopped garlic all on top like that, I put a good amount. I love garlic. Now I'm going to sprinkle a nice big coating of a pizza blend cheese. Once you spread out the cheese, try to do it as evenly as possible. Last thing is do a little more Italian seasoning right on top of the cheese. Now from there, you want to preheat your oven to 350. You're going to put it in the oven for 1 hour. Alright, it's been 53 minutes and it's looking about done. Just going to take that out real quick and show you the last step you want to do. Last step I do is, if you notice at the bottom there's a lot of liquid that built up from the vegetables cooking, is I just take it over to the sink and I just tip it out, so then there's no more liquid, and then that thing is ready to eat. It's very simple, as you could see, and I promise you it's very delicious. If any of you make this, leave some comments on what you think, if you like it or not. I personally like this better than regular eggplant parmesan. Well, thank you for watching. I hope some of you try this because it's delicious. Have a good night.